I visualize and I dream. I believe and I lead. I support and guide. I fail or pass, but I keep moving forward. I am SIL.
Thank you, Anshul, for inviting me here. Thank you, Yogesh, the entire team at SIL. And I'm sure the fact that so many entrepreneurs are together under this one convention center, there has to be magic tonight. And SIL, you've created such a wonderful platform. Sharing of best practices, sharing of challenges, or should I say sharing of roadmaps. I'm sure Mr. Yogesh and SIL and the inspirational team will tell you that this is what makes caterpillar or butterfly. 80% would come from the implementation of your talent or your intelligence in the right direction. Do you realize that at the end of 30th step, I would have traveled the entire circumference of Earth 27 times. This is what is happening to the world. And that is why you can never rely upon your past success. Today I've seen young boys just with a laptop and an internet connection in B cities, C cities, creating a beautiful platform. So irrespective of the fact whether you're a lion or a deer, you're a startup or an existing large corporate, you better start running. And it says that technology actually will never replace entrepreneurs. But entrepreneurs who use technology will replace entrepreneurs who do not. Now, it's another matter whether the cables which go there, or the taps which will be fitted there, or the switches which are used there, whether they come from China or whether we make. For me, doing business is not art. For many of us, at least in engineering, safety, it's pure right work. You just need the right person, the right agency to scientifically handhold you and take you to that successful arena. For example, if you want to buy a CNC machine and that CNC machine replaces, let us say, 5 traditional lathes or trobs, and in one setting your CNC is going to give you more, then for that particular machine you are entitled to a subsidy of up to 50%. Quality is the essence. It is the first fundamental. Someone who does not qualify in this has no right to be in business. Do something. Create a value that 1 million people or 1 billion people are willing to pay you just 1 rupee each. And you're already a millionaire or a billionaire. If you're paying more taxes, your balance sheet is so healthy that your banker reduces your rate of interest from 14% to 8.5%. Other than what you're doing, your core area of excellence, you must be financially literate and you must be technology literate. For your company, whether your company is doing right in terms of performance and credit, there's a beautiful program, a rating program. Get your company rated under performance and credit rating. Even if I am left with a little bit of smaller size team, I want my coffee hot. I want my team hot and ready. They'll make a winning team. Risks related to compliances. For example, GST compliance is a new age thing and you have to be ready. Similarly, cyber threats are a new age risks. Make sure that your businesses are protected. Friends, ultimately it's all about the opportunities that we see around. It's all about your passion and how it is regenerated and revived by SIL. I think it is an immutable law in business that words are words, explanations are explanations, promises are promises, but only performance is reality.